So right now we are going to solve this equation by using the square root property. It might look very similar to the to completing the square method, but it is what it is. Alright. So yeah, before we begin, I have to mention that the square root property says if you have maybe an a square equals to a b, it states that a will be equal to plus or minus square root of b. So yeah, it's just very similar to the completing the square method, which states that a equals square root of b or a equals minus square root of b. So yeah, here we have y squared. Let's say we subtract 14 on both sides. We get y squared equals 2 minus 14, that's a negative 12. Okay, now I would like to put a square root on minus 12 straight away, but since minus 12 is a negative number, that means we are going to get involved with complex number. Just so you know. So property state y squared would be equal, y would then be equal to plus or minus square root of negative 12. So for the next step, y equals plus or minus. So negative 12, the square root of negative 12 will be I. Actually, let me break this down first. That would be square root of 12 times the square root of negative 1. Working with complex number, we know that the square root of negative 1 is I, and square root of 12. And actually, square root of 12, that's 4 times 3, so that will be 2 square root of 3. Our final answer should be plus or minus 3i, plus or minus 2i square root of 3.